Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss the velocity time graphs. This is under quarter 4 of Science 8, week 2. Okay, objectives. Explain how a velocity time graph shows motion. Construct a velocity time graph from a given velocity time table with correct labels and units, and demonstrate cooperation and accuracy while interpreting and creating graphs. Okay, for motivational activities, the thumbs up graphs moves. Okay, dito ipapakita ng teacher yung situation. For example, in using graphs or slides, the students will respond the following actions. For example, kapag horizontal line ang pinakita, students will freeze like a statue. Meaning that is constant velocity ang katapat po nun. Kapag upward slope, do a 3 quick claps speeding up, positive acceleration ang katapat po nun. And kapag downward slope ang pinakita, slow clap once, slowing down, deceleration ang katapat. And then line below 0, step backward once, that is negative velocity. Okay, look at this cyclist on the track. Okay, a cyclist rides with these velocities from 0 to 4 to 8, 2468 seconds. Ayun, kung mapapansin natin, dito po talaga yung 8, ito. 2468 and then 10 na itong 8 na ito. So, nasobrahan po yan. So, the time is 0, 2, 4, 4, and 1. Okay, from 0 to 4 seconds, is the cyclist accelerating? Okay, the answer is yes, because it is increasing in velocity from 0 to 4. And then from 4 to 6, what does the constant velocity tell you about acceleration? Okay, kung titingnan natin dito, this is also accelerate, pag-increase na, continuous ang pag-increase ng velocity. So kapag constant velocity po kasi, straight line papunta dito. So horizontal kapag constant ang velocity. Meaning that is zero acceleration kapag constant ang velocity. From 6 to 8, ito po yan, itong nakatapat sa pangalawang 4, dapat ito ay 8. Is the cyclist accelerating or decelerating? Sa case po na ito, kung ito ang 8, itong 4 na to, accelerating siya. Magiging siyang decelerating dito po from dito, kung ito yung 8, pababa na ito yung magiging decelerating kasi nag-decrease ang velocity. Which part has the steepest slope? Kung titignan natin, itong from 0 to 4, ito yung pinaka, kumbaga ay increasing, matindi yung pag-increase ng velocity. Can velocity become negative? Okay, yes. What would it mean on the graph? So, kung pabalik na po yan dito, kung doon ko gagamitin natin yung quadrants, kung nanditong part, so maybe that is in terms of direction, ano po, yung pagbalik niya sa direction. Okay, a velocity time graph shows how an object speed and direction change as time passes. Velocity is plotted on y-axis, the vertical, while time is placed on the x-axis or the horizontal of the Cartesian plane. In this type of graphs, the slope of the line represents the acceleration. Yung slope ng line, the combination of velocity and time is the acceleration. Okay, acceleration refers to how quickly velocity changes. It may be uniform when velocity changes at a constant rate, or non-uniform when the rate of change varies over time. Kapag fix yung constant yung pag-increase, that is uniform motion. Kapag varying or changing from time to time, that is non-uniform motion. Okay, a velocity time graph therefore describes both the magnitude and direction of motion within a given time interval. When velocity is measured in meters per second, time is measured in seconds. If velocity is in kilometers per hour or miles per hour, time is measured in hours. Velocity values may be positive or negative depending on the direction, while time values are always positive. So the slope of the graph indicates acceleration. A steeper slope means a greater acceleration. So pag mas matindi pala po yung bigla ang pag-angat or bigla ang pagbaba, mas mataas yung acceleration. Either negative or positive acceleration. Okay, below another one, appearance, the graph is straight, slanted line. An upward slope shows positive acceleration. A downward slope shows negative acceleration or deceleration. The slope remains constant, indicating constant acceleration. Kapag constant, yun yung horizontal line yung graph. Ang in-indicate po na is the constant acceleration. Ito po yung example. Ito, letter A, velocity time graph for uniform motion. That is constant acceleration. A constant velocity. Hindi nagbabago yung velocity niya. So, that is zero acceleration ang katapat po nun. Ito namang letter B, uniformly accelerated. So, yung pagdagdag niya ng acceleration is uniform or permanent. So, velocity time, another one is decelerating naman ito. Pababawas yung velocity. Velocity increases or decreases linearly with line showing a steady change in speed. Okay, for non-uniform acceleration appearance, the graph appears as a curved line or as connected line segments with different slopes. The uneven shape reflects changes in acceleration. Okay, the slope varies showing changing acceleration. Velocity changes non-linearly, meaning the object speeds up and slows down at different rates. Kagaya po nito itong blue. So, papabilis ano po yung matindi yung ano niya, acceleration, positive acceleration. Dito although positive, may ano siya, may pagbagal. Okay, steps in constructing a velocity time graph. Collect data, obtain the time and velocity for values. Draw axis, label the x yung horizontal. Okay, draw axis, label the x-axis as time and y-axis as velocity. Yung x po yung horizontal at yung vertical yung y-axis. Select a scale, choose suitable scales for both axes. Connect points, join the points with a straight line or curve. Label the graph, and add a title and include units. Interpret, study the shape to understand the object's motion. Ito yung graph for velocity with constant velocity. The velocity time graph for uniform or constant velocity. So kapag constant ang velocity, meaning that is zero acceleration. So consider an object moving with a constant rightward velocity of positive 10 meter per second. Since velocity does not change, the velocity time graph is horizontal line. Our horizontal line has a zero slope, meaning the acceleration is zero. Kapag ganyan ang graph. Okay, ito naman, consider an object moving rightward while speeding up. When plotted, the velocity time graph becomes a straight line with a positive slope indicating positive acceleration. Different straight line graphs may represent different cases of uniform acceleration depending on the object's motion. Kapag yung pababa naman po, that is the deceleration, meaning nabawasan yung velocity. So that is deceleration or negative acceleration. Kapag pataas po, positive acceleration. Okay, for non-uniform motion acceleration, objects that not always move at a constant rate when they speed up or slows down unevenly, they exhibit non-uniform acceleration. In such cases, the graph is not straight. It may appear as curve, zigzag, or combination of shapes. The slope changes over time, showing that acceleration is not constant. Okay, ito yung formula for slope. The slope is equivalent to acceleration. Okay, yung nasa taas is the change in velocity or the v sub 2 minus v sub 1, and then sa baba is the change of time, that is equivalent to t sub 2 minus t sub 1. If we are going to have an example, if the velocity or the final velocity is 15 and then the initial is 10, 15 minus 10, that is 5 divided by 10, that is 0.5 meter per second squared. Okay, a downward sloping segment indicates decreasing velocity. A negative slope means negative acceleration or deceleration. These interpretations help explain how velocity time graphs reveal on objects' motion and acceleration. For conclusion, a velocity time graph shows how velocity changes with time. The slope equals to the acceleration. Upward slope means the object speeds up. Downward slope means it slows down. And a flat line means acceleration is zero or constant velocity. Graphing data correctly helps us describe motion clearly and compare different movements.